Hi guys, David Wynn, August University here, and today I just want to show you guys the quickest way to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum. Obviously on my left side here, you can see the charts for Ethereum. It's been blowing up. It's at 2460 Canadian, and it's just gonna keep moving in my opinion. So if you guys are interested in buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is a huge opportunity for you. So what app I like is I use several different apps and exchanges, but one of my favorites is called Shakepay. So it's very simple to use. You just literally take your phone, download the app, and hit buy after you do an e-transfer. So e-transfer from any bank, it doesn't matter. And once you get your funds, you can hit buy. Okay. You can do limit orders. You can do a regular just buy now at the current price as well. So this is Shakepay here, as you can see on your app. The easiest way for Canadians to buy and sell Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin in minutes with internet e-transfer, cash out to your bank instantly, customer service that cares. Within 10 minutes you can get your first Bitcoin, 1 billion plus in digital currency bought and sold, over 300,000 plus Canadians served. Super fast, commission free, great service. So it is really, really simple to use this platform. They're based out of Montreal, Canada, which is great. Now they have been hiring more staff to kind of keep up with productivity and how many people can get approved, etc. So you want to make sure you register to get your KYC approved right away so you can start buying, so you don't have to stare at the chart and not be able to buy. Okay, now if you guys decide to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, with your $100 deposit, you're going to get a bonus of $30 for yourself and for me as a thank you for using my link down below. So if you guys click on the link down below in the description with Shakepay, you're gonna get a bonus $30. Okay, very easy to use app as well. So once you get in, I'm already signed in, you guys. So once you get in, I have a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum. I moved it all to another wallet. It's important to have a hardware wallet or other wallets that you can store value. I moved mine to Celsius Network, where I earn yield, so I earn actually interest on my crypto. You guys can watch my other videos on Celsius Network in my video section on my channel. Make sure you guys, if you like this content as well, hit the like button, hit subscribe. I really appreciate everyone that joins my channel. Trying to get to 2K subscribers. Once I reach 2K, I'm doing a giveaway of $100 USD in crypto of your choice, whether Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, whatever you want. Okay, another crypto asset. So all you have to do is load up your wallet. Okay, you can add funds. It tells you to e-transfer, or you can transfer in Bitcoin, Ethereum from another wallet, or wire transfer. You just do e-transfer, send the funds to this information. Obviously, you're not going to send funds to my account. If you want to, go ahead, but I recommend using your own email. Okay. Once you get the money in there, you're gonna see it in your Canadian wallet, okay? There you can choose Bitcoin or Ethereum. So I wanna buy Bitcoin. You can use the max amount or choose how much you wanna spend. You wanna spend 50 bucks if you have it in the balance, obviously, and then hit continue and then buy. That's it. That's as simple as it is. If you wanna sell, you can say I wanna sell my Ethereum to Canadian dollars. I wanna sell all of it. And I hit continue, and that's it. Okay, that's as simple as that. Nothing too advanced about it. Okay. Now you can also do something called a limit order, which is on the I believe not here, but the mobile app. Allows you to, let me see here. Yeah, so only I believe in the mobile app you can do the limit. So on your phone you can do the limit and say I want to sell or buy at a specific price, then it'll trigger automatically. So it's kind of like in beta mode on Shakepay, but you can do it that way as well, right? So that's pretty much all I wanted to say. If you hit send, you can send Bitcoin or Ethereum. There's 0 fees for trading and 0 fees for withdrawal to another wallet. Okay. The only time Shakepay is going to take some money and some earnings here where they generate the revenue is when you buy Bitcoin, they're gonna raise that pricing a little bit, make a little bit in the margin, okay? So when you buy a certain amount of Bitcoin, let's say you buy $1,000 in Bitcoin, they're gonna mark it up slightly to the current Bitcoin price. Same with Ethereum. So everyone needs to kind of pay the bills. Everyone needs to kind of keep their business running. So that's how they make their margins there, charging a little bit on top of the pricing. All right, guys. That's all I want to show you guys today. So once again, this is Shakepay. Now another cool thing is you can take your phone when you invite at least one person to Shakepay. Once they get invited and everything, you can actually take your phone and then shake it, literally shake it, and then you get Bitcoin every day. It says too much shaking right now because I did my daily shake. You can get on winning streaks as well, but you get a little bit of free Bitcoin each and every single day by shaking your phone, which is great. Okay, so if you guys want to get into Shakepay, don't hesitate. Bitcoin, Ethereum keeps growing. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but honestly, it keeps growing and growing. So make sure you have at least a little piece of it so you understand the market, understand what cryptocurrency is. I have other videos that teach you a little bit more about crypto and how to get in. But if you guys want to get into Shakepay, click on the link below. $100 deposit gets you $30. Now, if you guys are probably wondering what these indicators are here, I'm using an app on TradingView. So TradingView.com gives you graphs to track all your cryptos and your stocks. And I'm using something called Lux Algo that helps you indicate when is a good time to buy, when's a good time to sell your crypto, okay? If you guys want more information on Lux Algo, you can click on the link below, and I have a bonus 20% off of Lux Algo as well. I use that for all my crypto trading. I use that for all my stock trading, just as an extra signal of when's a good time to get in and get out. Obviously, I use my own judgment as well and do my own research, but it does definitely help with trading. Especially, it keeps your mind off of things so you're not emotionally trading, okay? So this is David Wynn, August University. I would appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and good luck trading, have fun, and I'll see you guys in the next video.